stop scrolling. Why are you scrolling? Okay, alright, in this video and I want to show you how to carry out bridging in Assetchain. Exactly what you do with all your EVM compatible wallet. For in today's video, I'm showing you how you can do bridging from one blockchain to another. Follow me as I take you to my screen. Okay, so welcome to my screen. So we'll be looking at how we can bridge from Binance Smart Chain to Assetchain. Just like I said before, so I'll be using wBTC wallet, right? So now this is my wBTC wallet. The first step you need to do is you need to make sure you have USDT in your Binance Smart Chain. You can use Arbitrum, you can use Ethereum, you can even bridge from wrapped Bitcoin to Assetchain. You can bridge from wrapped Ethereum to Assetchain. You can use Arbitrum. All right, you can even use Polygon. All right, but for this video I'll be using Binance Smart Chain USDT. So the first step you need to do is to make sure that you have some USDT in your Binance Smart Chain. So I will go to my wallet section. I will select Binance Smart Chain. All right, this to show that okay, I have some USDT here, and you must also have some BNB to pay for gas fee. If you can see here, I have BNB here and I have USDT. Right, so let's get going. All right, so the next step is to make sure you have the link to access the Assetchain DEX. All right, I'll be pinning that in the video description. All right, so you get the link. If today is the first time of using Assetchain link, that means you will need a referral code. This referral code is surBlas, so I'll be giving you the referral code. So the next step is you copy the referral link, the Assetchain link, then you go to your discover, that's for people using wBTC wallet. Then you go to the browser section, you paste it. So I've already pasted mine, so that's why you have you can see I have app.assetchain.org. so that is the link, app.assetchain. You click on it. Now you wait for it to open. Now for you, if today is your first time, it will be asking you to input the referral code. So you just click on this, I accept. All right, now for me it's taking me direct to my dashboard. For you to be asking you to input the referral code before it to take you to this dashboard, right? So very understandable. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on the three menu here. Look at this. All right, you can see that. Click on that. Now when you click on it, you can see my point, both referral, leaderboard, bridge, swap, and all of that. So what I want to do is to bridge. So I'll click on bridge. Now you wait for it to load. Now it's asking you what are you bridging from where to where. All right, first of all you need to connect your wallet. All right, I will just simply click on connect wallet. All right, so I'll connect it to wBTC. Click on connect. So my wallet is connected already. So the next thing, I want to bridge from Binance Smart Chain. I'll select Binance Smart Chain. So yeah, I'll click on Binance Smart Chain to Assetchain. Click on to Assetchain. All right, so just make sure you select the right wallet address, like the right chain. So yeah, you can see from Binance Smart Chain USDT to Assetchain. All right, so let's go. So now I'll be selecting the amount of USDT I want to bridge. Let's say I want to bridge. You can bridge from $1 and above. So I want to bridge 16.5533. All right, to Assetchain. And you scroll down, you can see where you have bridge here. You click on it. All right, now you'll be asked to switch network. You click on switch network, connect your BNB wallet. So that this is where they'll be taking a little gas fee from your BNB. You approve it. All right, then you wait for it to bring out the sign section. All right, so let's just hold on. So the process is very simple. Sorry, there's failed. Sometimes you experience this. Just try again. Let's approve it. Yeah, we need to sign in our wallet. It's very important. So we can authorize now. So the first one that failed was because we didn't sign this. So now we have signed, so it has moved on. Yeah, so this is the live section. As I'm doing it is live. Right, so the next step is to transfer. You can see successfully approved. Now this is ready to be transferred to the Binance Smart Chain. Transfer from Binance Smart Chain, you click on it. Then the next step is to wait for it to bring the sign for you to approve it. Just follow, confirm, then I input my code, my fingerprint, then wait. Awaiting transfer. So they have to transfer from Binance Smart Chain to Assetchain. So you can notice already I've received a notification that I've received it, but I need to claim. So you notice here they are giving you step-by-step information compared to other blockchain where they don't bring out information like this. But in Assetchain breaching, they are giving you step-by-step. Then the next step, you notice that you have to wait for this section to count to 100. When it counts to 100, it will bring out the claim button, right? So very simple. All right, it's already 100. So you click on claim. There are sometimes you click on claim to show you that that is error. But let's check out this one. So we connect wallet, but this breaching is very seamless. Click on claim again. All right, so yeah, so we are waiting for the claiming. Yeah, it will bring out the signature first. So let's hold on a little. So you notice this is a live section. All right, as I'm doing it in my phone, exactly what you're seeing. All right, so you can see I'm waiting for the token to be claimed to my asset chain. Then later I'll go and confirm to see that the token have actually entered my wallet. So waiting, successful. You have claimed a total of, see, it does not even take up to 5 minutes. It's not even up to 2 minutes. So I'm done breaching. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I still remain your boy, surBlas Exchange. Alright guys, if you're not following my channel, make sure you're following me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you're following me, and see you in my next video. Look at the link there. Alright, see you in my next video. Peace out.